Hello guys, and welcome in a new video about all the point of views that we have in English. If you're having any difficulties understanding the point of views, congratulations, the problem is solved. So go get your pen and paper and get ready for today's session. First of all, you need to know that we have 3 point of views in English. The first one is the first person or the first point of view. The second one is the second person or the second point of view. And the third one, we call it third person or the third point of view. First of all, the 3 point of views are most probably used whenever you're writing a narrative writing. In narrative writing, it means when you are narrating the story. But they're not only used in the narrative writings, sometimes we use them in the rest of the genres. Now, let's start with number 1, which is the first person. So when do we use first person? We use first person when the narrator is a character included in the story. Like for example, if you're writing a story about yourself and you are involved in the story, then you can use first person. How can we figure out that this story is written from the first person? You can figure out this from the pronoun used in the story. If the story is written in first person, then you'll find pronouns like I, we, me, my, mine, us, ours. As we said before, the character is included in the story. So most probably, you're gonna use personal pronouns. Right now, I'll display 2 examples and you will choose which one is first person. Here you go. Number 2, the second point of view. The second point of view is used whenever you are addressing someone directly. Whenever you're talking directly to someone, we use second person. So the pronouns that you will use are you and your. Let's go to the third point of view, which is the third person. Third person point of view is used whenever you're structuring a story about someone else. So you are writing a story about your friend. You're writing a story about someone you don't know. So third person is used whenever the author is writing a story about someone else. It's not about himself. He's not included in the story. He's just narrating what happened to someone else. So therefore, the pronouns that you're going to use will be he, she, it, they, them, any pronoun that refers to someone else. So again, third person is whenever you're writing a story about someone else. For the third person point of view, we have 3 types of third person. Number 1, we have omniscient third person. Number 2, we have limited third person. Number 3, we have objective third person. Let's start with number 1, which is the omniscient third person. In the omniscient third person, the author would reveal the thoughts and feelings of all the characters in the story. So let's say that you are writing an example about a girl. You're gonna say, Lucy went to school, she was so excited. When she met her friends were excited too. So here I'm narrating a story about Lucy and about her friends, and I revealed their thoughts and feelings. I said that she was excited, and I said that her friends were excited too. So I revealed the thoughts and feelings of all the character in the story, or more than one character in the story. So this is the omniscient third person. The second third person that we have is the limited third person. I'll use the same exact example so you can understand. Lucy went to school, she was so excited when she met her friends. So now I reveal the thoughts and feelings of only one character in the story. I revealed the thoughts and feelings of Lucy only. I said Lucy went to school. She was so excited when she met her friends. So again, in the third person limited, you will reveal the thoughts and feelings of only one character in the story. The last one that we have is the objective third person. And in the objective third person, you're not going to reveal any thoughts and feelings. So it will be like this. Lucy went to school and she met her friends. So now I just narrated what happened. I told you that she went to school and she met her friends. I did not reveal any thoughts and feelings. So again, omniscient, you will reveal the thoughts and feelings of more than one character in the story. The second one is the limited point of view. You will reveal the thoughts and feelings of only one character in the story. And the last one is the objective point of view. You're not going to reveal any thoughts or feelings. Let's have an example. Here are 3 examples. I want you to figure out which is the first person omniscient, which is the first person limited, and which is the first person objective. Pause the video, answer it, drop me a comment telling me which is which. these were the point of views that we have in English. I hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to drop me a comment telling me that I'm the best teacher on the planet ever. Thank you.